Welcome to the 8Quanta library content. In this video, we'll discuss the Costed Bill of Materials BOM inquiry in NetSuite. The Costed BOM inquiry report is designed to show the component costs of an assembly item based on its bill of materials and routing. To access it, go to Transactions, Manufacturing, Costed Bill of Materials Inquiry. Select the subsidiary. Enter the assembly item. Choose the location you want to view. This will populate the list of subassemblies or components used for that assembly. Let's open one of the items. And also check the bill of materials revision for the assembly item. As you can see, the BOM quantity matches the quantity shown in the Costed BOM inquiry. Going back to the Costed BOM inquiry page, notice that the subassembly component appears with a Level 2 indicator on the report, since it's a subassembly of a component. If you only want to view top-level components, you can simply check the top-level only box. Now let's go into a component item record. Here, we can see the on-hand quantity, on-order quantity, and back-ordered quantity, all of which match what is displayed in the Costed BOM inquiry. For the unit cost, you can compute it by dividing the item's value at the specific location by the on-hand quantity. In this case, that gives us 0.27. To get the cost per assembly, multiply the unit cost by the BOM quantity. Since we have a unit cost of 0.27 and a BOM quantity of 3.5, the total cost is 0.945. Finally, in the top-level material cost and total unit cost sections, we only see the 0.945 cost because only one component has a cost assigned, while the others do not. And that wraps up this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.